Amagoro bengi omwanchi omurigererwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo bwansu bwo Gusii mwege na litkoria uri abere litwaire rukegima nabigo kwabergo kwego kya ase okubwati mirubiri yonse getaseni kya Ndizi TV ekera bono litkoria rero lyarenge litkori nene ase abachumbe naboigo abasenata gotiani wabeneri okochaka kurobo koreri gochiase abananchi ase twarabuna ase Ensa ye Senate nigo omurubiri yobako korekana buya ase omo Gusii Amason Kingi abakago chorwa buna omo speaker bwebunke ya Senate chinga keche niga ase ebunke nene naboigo murubiri yogendreto yobere gokoera boiniga ase ensemo yo wakera ose yokomochora omonogeri awase bagendrete gose chikura chia korire kubaroboniga ase tuganyete bono bachiekorwa okoraria koriora obeirega konyora obobui ase ensemeyo mancho murigereri chitariki nigo chire isano na isato cyumutienyi okianda umwaka w'ekibibere na meronko ebere nebere ekarabonongo kwariganya se Ensa Amayia Eyemo irongo banyumna nara yaya na kwariganirie asenchera erengikeranu yendra gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube nigora tobwati wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News boigo na bogo tonyora ase website yaito wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio tobeto gosanga na ya mankireteriane Evelyn Osero urito kuwatirana nere kwene kiabuna awekera sensemo imanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Uta kabana ntugikomerio kwariganito chake Amayia Eyemo senchira yobwikiranu korwase county ya Nyamira awase abamenyi korwase chibunge che county eyo babeire bakuru ebirengerero byabo kubwatikana nari baganetie abachumbe bachikoba ikiranira nene chira babete bakoriera bakubaliera chingaki barenke kwerigeria chikura ase county eyo nigo baganire gokorerwa amagendro nabarabo babe bakwegenderera bya ase amatukari bosyo muri kitkorwase county ya Nyamira job manki nabakagusanga negati abamenyi na tigatoiwe unanara yaya atuariganeretie
ebunge ya 13 njatwara egeikaro egetangani ase ababunge baba bagotianigwa
faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of parliament, so help me God.
Kurwase bunge ya West Mugirango mbasaba omobunge Stephen Mogaka gokora amagenderero atabwati obwantereri bonde bonsi
egento nariko musaba akore gasingiya anda atige gasi ubunyumba apara asikirase ebintu biganeria amagenderero amachi natusumbwete ebichiparapara ebintu biri necessary
Ensa moyende mba musaba chikoru chibesa chikokonya abana se chisemi na gokonya abatali kwenyara
chintakana munato tebeti akonya amangana chustima kerase chionspi chitoke kero monta twara mangana stima so far naende arare bantroliote kwenyara bune birema na basangi bintu
ase bunge aborabu mbamusaba omubunge Patrick Osero akonye abasaye konyora emeremo naende arwanerere abalemi n'abaongereria
togo saboyo minto Osero oligererie abana baito mbaro bakorete bataranyora emeremo oligereria kemeri yeito yechae otokonye
ntegeto omubunge ane okorokwa Osero ande akwanire iguru yobuoyo kera akwanire iguru yobuoyo elinde ebintu biranense ake
mbasaba bunge be county ya Nyamira kubwatirana n'omurayi gwense William Ruto elinde koreta amagenderero ase county ya Nyamira
ababunge baito buna mwabere swon mobe hangana ase president mubwatirana ande toroji par jikor kujiram tayemiorama toroji par jikor gajiram nensera be na ndo basa korro mugaso urwase muri agora bono mate to kuja ko bapima oro mapema oko jesa no mate ngia okere muliko
kurwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mbia mono murikeito job mangi asoroboti oroikiranu korwase county ya Nyamira abangina korwase county ya Kisii na boigo county ya Nyamira nigo beso kire na gukwanira kiriage koirera abangina bange gotanyora mabaga asebirogo byoborai meyense ya Kenya askeria batere buna ogotanyora kibesa cyo gokorera chi campaign na boigo okorinwa mabaga ne byabe binene na byo ebintu mono byarokanire biko bairera barabo gotanyora amabaga murikeito Josephat Amitsi na twarganire
Ugutasirwa nebyama ebinene imeyense ya Kenya ngati ebitango ebirere abangina bange gutachorwa guchia ase birogo ao ebyoborai imeyense ya Kenya anene ase orogongorwa Gusii ayongorengana no musibatire chotundo uyorenge omurwanire bwekirego kyabangina ime county ya Kisii
Gusii iga tuwate problem sana asaba nimeko elected mnaboniga the whole of Gusii ingima. We have only one elected MCA, nane tuwate na women reps babe Kisii County no Nyamira County. Tuwate any other elected person, and that is very sad. The problem tuwate nene ito, abang na wate ko elected. Number one ni chipati echi ko very difficult ko abang na ticket. Most of the time talk about smaller parties. Also, the rest of the country, most of the women from these major parties or the most popular parties in their regions.
Nonyera bogoitwa omoyo kurwa asabana siasa bande anene au baraba sacha ngati ye ebinto ao ebyerere abangina bange banyarako bakwerusia asokurwanire birogo ao ime ye county ya Kisii na boige county ya Nyamira.
Iga Mondo potential, potential, who could reach for that could be empowered. Work on the one hand, energy nomination, Bakobeka, but I go back about the goes valley. And that is why we have very few women. Bako Kuragara to a 12 hour, say about 26 about Mabako nominated. Where do they go? But then go to Valley at the end of the day. One hour, Bakona Poligia, Navangao, and once they keep on getting discouraged, take a Bako Libanya control. At the end of the day, about Negamata and Nicola, on the Yokoba peak. Aba empowering a kimonoga, the something else, and I empowered and actually next time. They are not interested, and the big problem comes, could we say, about one elected people, but the women will work with Chikura. But I have a Kungu, but you can work with women rep Yoka, and that is where we have a big issue and a big problem.
Boigo rechotundo nigatikire kobaga kobagania abarai ao asorogongorwa Gusii abatikire kobago chorwa nabamenyi banyarako bakwenekia ngabanyarako babako babwata abasibati amaboko na kwenekia ngabanyarako bakobeka ase birogo ao elio nabara banyarako bakwegendereria anene kwenekia buna bono siasa ya Gusii yanyareko bagego kinia abangina na koboigo kobachinguru elio konyarako bakwerwanira ase ebirogo ao.
We are urging the elected leaders, let the women be. Aba kumuna kwa bangi bako ba hachikura. Nendu tikato wa rotoli kichikura, mwato ana into space, mwuna te kuruwani kwa. Iko mkuruwani wa angina na mwa bahari baga. So we believe na the political parties amendment bill ya 2021, ele go takotokwanye kia 2022. Now women will be given tickets because kile party has about helps of 2/3 gender rule. As so candidates. And from there we believe there shall be change. As we are asking the current government to pick some of these women, but then we could empower in one way or another by giving them something to do so that they can be able to ask for this next day.
Kuripotera Ndizi TV korwe county ya Kisii Riteriana Josephat Amisi.
Mbia mono Josephat Amisi ase oroboti ororoikeranu nenchira yamo yogo kinia sector yoboremi nigabaremi korwase county ya Kisii babeire bakonyora amaigerio igoro yogo kinia ebimeri gose igoro yebimeri nabo igo etugo nenchira yamo yoko bakonya kwegenderera bya ase amatukari bosyo murobero yoni gokorekana asa magacho a ATC ime yomucho bosongo awasoborike itonde mo Stephen abagago ikirana na gutwariganira oroboti orwase nchire kubwatya.
Abaremi korwa chinsemo ao ime county ya Kisii nigo baikirana segeti kya maigiro yoboremi a ATC Kisii ase basemi wigoro yoboremi bwa mogondo netugo
abaremi abange ego bagusumega chibanda singe njo gusumega koro so we are encouraging abaremi abange kere mafundisha manga ali bunayega babe bagwatendi bagosomigwa aina y'ichimbusuro babwente gusimeka n'echingaki babwente gusimeka igo abalimi babere bagweterera emechande menge yo gusimeka asingencho yo gotatwara obosemia bwo gusimeka chibando so ogocha goita mu buna igango nyora torenga ngosomi tora abalimi banyora obumanyi bwo gusimeka chibando na ende mbando kibabwente gusimeka
gati yari aboroki guna muno botugi bwe chiombe ase basemi gutumeka artificial insemination asoko achiombe embegu likalyo gutumeka chieli elio gokeya marwaire na komente kerengo kya mabere agokamwa
utoko imiza abakulima baito batige gutumia endume batumie artificial insemination batumie embego erinde rigakore embege yigato mugotumia nigere tested embego ngia embego iranyare ko bakonya bakulima gotwara chiombe chingia riko gotwara chiombe chinyinge chiombe gosini 15 chioko amabere chirita 20 chioka ekero gotumia embego ya Kenya Animal Genetic Resources Center eng'ombe Eyemo egoko amabere gwetani chirita 30
abalimi baminto toko batebya ngoteba balenga chibando tigabasimeke chicha endere bakurukendere esichuya bagere barukoboni chikoira matuka make ekambani ya Koteva Pioneer ekarambuya erete chibando cha hybrid koira matuka make lakini ere hybrid ebwato bosyo bonge abalimi abange basoire go adapt
boigo abalimi mboro kyigoro ye chimbusuro chebimeli barasimeke ebyo birabayo kogesoko nene gokorengani neliroba lya Gusii
igo bono abagusi baise ko adopt artificial insemination egekora artificial insemination dego sabu eng'ombe Eyemo at one time turigo share ndume nechiombe chinde igo bono nigo tora reduce amarwaire ande ayu akoreta eng'ombe gotabwate embego
eyo moiso ntobwate ekoira matuko amakesana ekero mulimi mono anyorirwe asogosimeka munaboniga mbale baswire konyorwa uyari ni September toko ba advice ba simeka efara ya tokoroka 2809 ekoire metinyeta tonenus 24 ya machuire
ko reporter ya Ndizi TV Elietariane Ndemo Steven
Muriamono umurikyo ito Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti urumancho murigere ritogotigana nayo na nakumanya ritko rya rero nigo ryarenge ritko rinene ase abachumbe naboigo aba senator gotianiwe imense ya Kenya magega iyo bochorio bonene wense ya Kenya gokorekana abo chitariki kyanda cyumutienyi o gatano na gatatu na nigo asensemere ye senate aba senator baba gotianiwa bene na koria chira cyogo cyakorwa bokorero bwikiranu go cyase abananchi kinga kyechiboigo aba senator bo nigo bakekura yo kumochora omonogeri bwesemonogeri bwe senate oyo rachiye ko ira libagaria ye oyo kabeire omonogeri bwe senate Kenneth Lusaka asiba bakumochora Amason Kingi nabo igo Kathuri Murungi buna omokonyoye elio gochya kurobokoreri gocyase abananchi ayo munanda mange nigo twariganire n'umurikeito Vincent Wenyancha
abasenete 20 nayo mobensemo ya Azimio nigo besoke kurwase bunge asokwe murungani buna nominated senators awale 20 mbairi bagalyo kurwanrekero kyobo konyi wo speaker ase bunge ya Senate Moses Kajwang noyo mwabwatani kurwase nsemo ya Azimio.
All the 67 senators here have got an equal right to vie for the position of Deputy Speaker of the Senate. Therefore, Mr. Clerk, my objection and where I want you to clarify is that we cannot proceed with election for Speaker and Deputy Speaker until the rights of nominated members to put in their application. And I know someone will argue that it was the work of IBC to gazette the nominated senators. We as a Senate cannot take the wrong decisions because IBC took the wrong decisions.
Voigo okwerusia kwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka asokulie krokyo speaker ase bunge ya Senate nikokwerera Senate 20 noyomo gotaka chikura.
His Excellency Honorable Musyoka Stephen Kalonzo withdrew his candidature for the position of Speaker of the Senate, and his name will accordingly not be appearing on the ballot paper. Honorable Senators, Honorable Senator, please sit down, sit down. Honorable Senators,
omoseneta bwe kaunti ya Kericho Aaron Cheruiyot nigamo chia bwatani ba Azimio oteabuna nobwo basoirie anene asogochukubu asekeroge kyo speaker.
Mr. Clerk, I want to react to the point of order by my good friend Senator Moses Kajwang. This is a classic filibuster. There is nothing that the minority side is looking for other than an opportunity to stage a walkout because they can see the chances of another imminent defeat in quick succession after they've suffered a quick one in the previous election, Mr. Clerk.
Abaseneta Kipchumba Murkomen na Boni Arware niko bamuchiboy go Moses Kajwang asenkwana yaye yogotataka omo speaker bwe Senate tabase gochorwa.
The Speaker, the objection is raising is premature. It's a premature.
Senators, I will hear Senator Murkomen, please.
Thank you. It's premature to the extent that this House is now discussing the election of the Speaker. The issues raised by Senator Kajwang have nothing to do with the position of the Speaker.
Mr. Clerk, I can see the attempt by the Honorable Senator Moses Kajwang. Senator, through this point of order, he's attempting to suspend the sitting of this House.
Omwerio ya baseneta emeronge nena batano no yomoni go bakachukura asoyo kabero mo governor bwe county ya Kilifi Amason Kingi achorubu no monogari bwe bunge ya Senate aso kwanyera chikura chonsi emeronge nena isano ne Eyemo kubwatakana buna na uboka bakachukura asekerenga una abaseneta emeronge bero no yomo mbageti chikura anene kurwa sensemo ya Azimio. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ritirene nchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Muyamono Vincent Onyancha mwancho mulirera bana magega yogotianwa kwaye Amason King buna omonogeri webunke ye Senate nigabaka wakangambya monogo cyase abaseneta bonsi asoko mwegena na kumochora asali eira yogo cyakobwatrana na barabu eryokorwa obokoreri borobu yago cyase abadanchi.
I'm profoundly humbled and overwhelmed by the great honor and privilege you have bestowed upon me by electing me as your Speaker of the 4th Senate and the 13th Parliament of the Republic of Kenya. I'm deeply humbled and touched by the immense confidence and trust that you have placed on me. I therefore accept with humility and pledge that I shall perform to my utmost ability the constitutional responsibilities and duties of the office of the Speaker of the Senate for the next 5 years with due diligence and decorum. Distinguished Senators, allow me with great pleasure to congratulate and salute all of you, the new Senators of the 4th Senate, for emerging triumphant in the just concluded general elections after a bruising political contest. Your election to the high office of Senator of your various counties and constituencies is a demonstration of the faith and confidence that the electorate have in your capabilities to serve, transform, and improve the welfare and
Nonyana boni go seneta we county ya Nyamira okongo mugeni arokana koga kumochia ebunge ye Senate asagania ebinto kobekwatere nigo sebwasyoku eryo korwa obwasyoku ochiase aba seneta bonsi chingaki ibagwa kachikura.
Mr. Clerk, I've just raised a point of order and you have directed that I be supplied with the CVs of all the candidates whom we are about to elect as our Speaker. And I want to thank you that your order has been complied with, and I've now been given 6 CVs. But what is worrying me, Mr. Speaker, and I seek the direction of your office, is that the CVs have been given don't have very critical Chapter 6 clearances. Mr. Speaker, before we proceed to elect somebody to sit in that office, these CVs should be accompanied by clearance from Ethics and Corruption Commission, We need to know. If you don't respect chapter 6, that's up to you. On this side, Mr. Clark, the CV that have been given, the CVs have been given.
Please, honorable senators, let us listen to Senator Kongo Mogeni in silence. Senator Kongo Mogeni, please conclude in 1 minute. Your point is made adequately in 1 minute.
Mr. Speaker, I don't know why my colleagues thrive in shouting. Listen to me. I'm raising a
address the chair.
If you don't respect integrity on that side,
Senator Mogeni, address the chair.
Mr. Speaker,
address the chair.
Mr. Speaker, we cannot proceed to elect a speaker to sit in that office before we are satisfied as senators that they comply with chapter 6. I expected, Mr. Speaker, that's why I raised the point of order that I needed to be supplied with CVs.
Na sensemo ye bunge nene nigo nabaigo abachumbe korwa se chibunge chonsi mense ya Kenya baba gutianwa bene elio gochia korwa obokoreri gochia se abananchi Frida Kerbo na tuariganire teorboti urwa sobimi.
Nase amagacho yebunge enene ababunge abo bacholetwe ase obochori bw'omwaka oyo batianigwa eligochaka obokoreri gochia ase abananchi.
Mimi Lydia Haika Mizigi nikiwa nimechaguliwa kama mwanachama wa bunge la kitaifa, na hapa kwa jina la Mwenyezi Mungu kwamba nitakuwa mwaminifu na mtiifu kwa watu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, kwamba nitatii, nitaheshimu, nitatetea, nitatunza, nitahifadhi na ni kulinda katiba ya Jamhuri ya Kenya, na kwamba nitayatekeleza majukumu yangu ya ubunge kwa uaminifu. Ewe Mwenyezi Mungu nisaidie.
Nomoroberio oragwa nomo Clark Sera Kioko oyoba omosubati omotangani gotiania ababunge.
Having looked at the number of members elect present in the House this morning, I can confirm that we have the requisite quorum necessary to transact the business before the House as set out under Article 121 of the Constitution of Kenya.
Babunge chimi ibere emerongo kianda aba women rep emerongo ene na batano na babere na baigo ababunge abachole 12 nigo batiani wago chaka emeremo kobwatekana nelichiko na baigo ekatiba ya Kenya ase emiaka 5 erebosio.
Prepare through faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve and protect and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and consistently discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
I, Silvanus Osoro, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
Agega yogotianigwa nigo batwara egeikaro ase ogochora omonogeri bwe bunge enene oyora chikoira libagaria ya Justin Muturi ekeminano egetindi nigo kiarenge egati ya Kenneth Marende amona Moses Wetangula abo amalieta abo aitigwa kurwa gati ya baroneli 19 ababunge mbatwara engwana ya bene ningo bwenete koira libaga elio.
I have disqualified the two persons from contesting in the election for the speaker scheduled for today, 8th September 2022. Cognizant of the fact that the willful submission of documents containing misleading, falsified or fraudulent information for use in proceedings of a very crucial nature by this House may constitute a criminal offense, out of the 19 persons who completed and returned their nomination papers, the following 2 persons qualified as candidates for elections as Speaker of the National Assembly. 1. Kenneth Otiato Marende. 2. Moses Masika Wetangula.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Mia mono omurikyo ito Frida Kerubo asoroboti oroikira numancho murigereria wikachinga kiechiga buna togenderete okwana anigo omo gosemo Moses Wetangula beire gakorariwa bene buna omo ogosomo nogeri ibwe bunke nene erio koirari bagari yaye Justin Muturi yo kabeire omo bunke bwe bunke yo Wetangula nigaba gakonyorobo buyi asaba